Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Gemini air sign, your person current feelings. This reading is for the remaining month of April. So let's check the message, your person current feelings. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, let's check. I already shuffled my cards very well. So your person current feelings, Gemini. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Swords, Ace of Cups. Wow. So definitely there are some disputes are going between you and your person right now. Five of Swords is here, but your person want to clear that disputes definitely because he loves you so much. Ace of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, things getting better. He want to do things right definitely. So what are the disputes are going between, he want to correct them definitely. He want to come towards you and want to correct them, their current feelings right now like this. So they want to offer this cup of love to you to come towards you. Definitely things are turning in your favor. So their intentions towards you in the month of April, let's see. So these intentions are, they are going to take action or not, it depends upon the situation. So their intentions towards you, Five of Cups, Three of Wands, Justice. Yes, definitely you both, there is a long distance relationship, you both live in different cities or different countries. Waiting is going in this connection. Definitely your person feeling sad due to some disputes between both of you. Definitely your person feeling very sad. So he want to come towards you and ask for second chance. Definitely Justice, or your person could be Libra. Definitely there will be, he want reconciliation with you. So the feeling is to come towards you and ask second chance, but there is waiting going on, so you have to wait a little. So he want to take action, but how when he will take action, it depends upon your situation. So let's pull some cards from universe. Gemini, Seven of Swords. I think you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here. Two of Swords, Nine of Cups. Yes, definitely he want to come towards you because you are their wish fulfillment, but there is some sneaky energy. Five of Swords and Seven of Swords, Two of Swords. Definitely your person may be at some crossroads. Definitely Two of Swords is here. So you have to wait a little bit more. Because one, the negative energy is getting completed. Definitely he will come towards you because you are their wish fulfillment. Or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely waiting is going between both of your separation because Two of Swords and Three of Wands, waiting, and Five of Cups. So their intentions towards you to come towards you and cut this waiting and all this negative energy. So hope it resonates to you. This is the reading for you, Gemini. So please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.